Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the ZT Max 20 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore the watch face or the dial section of the ZT Max 20 smartwatch. We are going to download a watch face as well as a custom watch face for our wearable. So if you are interested to see the list of dials or watch faces for the ZT Max 20 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the watch faces or dials for our ZT Max 20 smartwatch. This wearable do have a preloaded watch faces. So we have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 watch faces, a combination of analog and digital watch faces. Let's check out the settings here and see if there are other options for the display screen. We have more. Then let's see, backlight time. We have the backlight time and bedside lamp mode. That's it. Okay, that's the only option. Okay, let's see again. Let's double check. I think that's the only option for the smartwatch. Okay, next, if you want to change the watch face, you can use the crown button here. To download additional watch face, just open the support app. So we have here the app. It is using the ZT Fit app, and there's a section for dial settings. As you can see, watch faces. Tap on the dial settings. We have here the dial management, and we have a different categories for watch faces. So we have digital dial. Let's wait for it to load. We have pointer dial, space dial. We also have the cartoon dial, holiday dial. We have machine, European cup, and we have the custom dial here. Alright, so seems like every dial is loaded. So let's check. Let's double check. So here are the digital dial. Okay, there are some that failed to load. Again, this is the digital dial. Then next we have the pointer dial. Limited options. We have space dial, cartoon. Then we have the holiday. Did not load. Maybe more of a Christmas theme or Valentine theme watch faces. And we have the machine dial. Few options. We have the European cup. So more of a sports. And we have a custom dial. So let's have a sample download for our smartwatch. So let's download an example here. So we have here the machine dial. Tap on install. Then let's wait for it to complete its download. It's now loading. During the dial upgrade process. Okay, got it. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. So let's wait for it to complete its download. So we have here a progress bar. So let's wait. Okay, so after several attempts to download this design, our smartwatch keeps on restarting, so it failed. So we download this one, the other one, and we have successfully loaded to our smartwatch. So far, the connection for the watch face is unstable. the smartwatch keeps on starting every time that we download this design. I don't know why. Maybe it's the internet connection, or maybe it's the phone, or maybe it's the app. But we were able to download this watch face. Okay, so seems like there's an issue with the watch faces. Next, let's have the custom dial. So let's go to this section, tap on install, and as you can see here, we have to select an image. So we'll allow the permission here. Let's select a photo, ZT Max, then check. So we have here our custom watch face. You can adjust the date or the time here. Lower left, there's no option for the font or the color, so that is disappointing. Next, let's tap on install. So let's wait for it to download to our ZT Max 20 smartwatch. Just like the watch face download, it's a bit slow and it did not continue. Again, got it. Let's wait for it to complete. Hopefully this will be successful, or hopefully we can download the custom watch face to our smartwatch. I'm disappointed with the dial section, the gallery. It's very hard. As you can see, our smartwatch restarted again. Failed. Last one. If this will not continue, we will stop the demo. And of course, our conclusion for the ZT Max 20, it has a disappointing connectivity with the support app, especially in the section of watch faces. So this custom watch face, we don't need an internet connection for this, but still it is having, or it is very slow in downloading the custom dial for our watch face. The same with the dial management. So let's wait for it to complete. 23%, and as you can see here, our smartwatch downloaded, and an error again for our custom watch face. So that's it for our demo for the dials. Very disappointing feature of the ZT Max 20 smartwatch. I'm going to test it with other smartphone. Let's see if it will work. But so far, here with our smartphone, we are using an Android smartphone. We failed to download a watch face, and a custom watch face, as well as a watch face from the dial management. We only have one, and we tried it several times, but we only have one successful download of watch face. So bad experience for our ZT Max 20 smartwatch, and of course with the ZT Fit application. Hopefully they will have a fix for this. Again, if you find this video useful, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.